Looking for new construction in Southwest Florida and are looking for many upgrades, gourmet kitchens, and a beautiful backyard, then this may be the house for you. And under $710,000. Come on, let's go take a look and see what you can get for $710,000 in Estero, Florida. Okay, everyone, today I'm in Verdana Village and I'm looking at the Stellar model. This is a 3-bedroom plus a den, 3-bathroom, about 2,500 square feet, $709,990. This home is absolutely beautiful. Now in Verdana Village, all the homes come with beautiful pavers, and this 3-car garage can hold up to about 9 cars, and then the 3 inside the garage. So you're talking like 12 cars in this driveway if you had that many people. Also, it comes with the tile roofs. It comes with impact windows and doors. So this house has a lot of features that would not be standard in some new construction. So let's take a look. And what I love about this particular model is it has those bay windows in the front, which just make the home look elegant. So as we walk up the front door, we have a beautiful impact door. Now that's an upgrade because it would come standard with just a plain door. When you buy these homes that are ready to move in, they usually have a better savings value because they've already put them in and they want them as a quick sell. Let's take a look. When you come in to the door, you have this beautiful walkway as you come in. Right off the side, you have this open area, which could be a den, could be an extra office, it could be a game room, or any other room that you could think of that may work for your family. So let me bring you into the kitchen because that's where all the action is. Beautiful big island, could fit at least 3 or 4 chairs. Now this has a gourmet kitchen, which has the microwave and the oven inside the cabinetry, as well as a gas stove. And Verdana Village is gas, so it has a gas stove, gas dryer, and a gas water heater that come with the house. And they have beautiful sink, all chrome finishes, beautiful backsplash. Now this home is giving me a beach vibe, definitely a coastal vibe, which you could do lots of beautiful things in here. You can paint the walls a beautiful beige, add nice artwork, definitely a place in Southwest Florida lifestyle that you could be living in. And if you're looking for coastal stuff, like coastal pictures and artwork and little knickknacks and cabinetry and just beautiful things, try out Wilford and Lee. Google it, Wilford and Lee. Beautiful. I bought so many things for my home from there because I love that coastal vibe myself. All right, let's take a look outside. This is a Pulte home, and it's the Stellar model. My name is Lisa Ponce. I am a real estate agent over in Southwest Florida, and I would love, love, love to find you a home of your dreams and let you live this lifestyle. Because it's not just finding a home, it's finding the lifestyle that you want to live. And in Verdana Village is definitely giving you the lifestyle you want to live. Resort style living all the way, indoor, outdoor pickleball, has basketball indoors. There's a full amenity center there with a gym and a restaurant, bar, resort style pool. The resort style pool has a bar outside, so you can go and get a drink or order food, sit by the pool, really feel like you're on vacation. Everybody who comes and sees it, they're like, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm on vacation every day. And they really do feel like they're on vacation every day. All right, so back to the tour. This is the master bedroom. They give you the tray ceiling, which is a nice bonus because that would be definitely an upgrade. The room is definitely big enough to put lots of furniture in here. Then you come around to the master bathroom. Beautiful, beautiful counters, chrome finishes. I want to show you the shower, beautiful, all the way up, tile, pretty tile with a bench. And then when you turn in, nice shower, and it also has that little nook to put your shampoos, so you never have enough room for all that. Let's take a look at the master closet, very large. You could definitely put a small island in here and have somebody come and do some custom cabinetry in here to fit your closet. Then we have a linen closet and a water closet over here. So this is the water closet, so you have privacy. I'll show you real quick. And you could always add some decorations in here. Here's a linen closet. All right, let me give you a hand view from this side. Just a really pretty house. I love it. Like I said, if this house isn't for you or your price range, please give me a call. I work with buyers just like you, trying to find the home that matches their lifestyle and their budget. And there's homes ranging here from in the upper threes all the way over to $1 million. So whatever your budget is, I can definitely help you. And if this isn't for you, there are definitely other beautiful brand new construction homes out there that I can help you find. All right, so let's see what's over here. So when you come over here, there is a laundry room. Here's the mud room. And then the laundry room is here, which they've added cabinets for you. And they've added more cabinets here. So those are things you don't have to worry about. And then when you come through all the homes, this home, many of their homes that they're doing the ready-made have the 8-foot doors, which just make it look more luxurious. Here is the 3-car garage, which has the taller ceilings, which just make it look bigger and nicer in here. And you can always put the epoxy flooring to make it look nice, add some outdoor storage here. And then also too, this development is a golf cart community. So being a golf cart community, you can get a golf cart, park it in your garage, drive to the amenity center, drive around. I see tons of people just having fun driving around and just enjoying life and meeting their friends for dinner or lunch at the amenity center. Here is the bathroom. And then another bedroom over here. Nice and spacious with a closet. And what I love about the closets here is they're not the bifold, they're the ones that slide. Pulte does a good job just giving those little extra finishes just to make the house look a little more expensive. All right, so let's take a look back in the kitchen. This whole area here, open, spacious. And I opened up the doors back there because there are actual sliding glass doors that are pocket sliders. So if you see them, they actually go inside. So then you have all this open space. I'll show you from this side too. Look at that, it's awesome. And then they have that, they put the lighting out here, which you can change to a fan. They even have it where you could put a TV already. So you could definitely have some entertainment going on here. Holidays, you could invite your family, friends, and they could have their own space. If you're relocating, I can help you do that. If you need somebody to help you, I can find you somebody in your state that will be able to help you sell your home. I am a one-stop shop for helping you be and live the South Florida lifestyle. All right, this is the other bedroom. So this has the beautiful windows that I was telling you about from outside. Plenty of space in here. You could definitely add lots of furniture in here and maybe even a desk, whatever you need. If you have teenagers. And what's nice about this bedroom is that it has its own bathroom. So if you have in-laws or guests who want to have privacy, they have their own bathroom right here. You shut the door and they have privacy, or a teenager or in-laws. So here is from the front door, the den again, and then you walk out here and then there's the bedroom. So here you have it, folks. Beautiful home in Verdana Village, stellar model, 710. You can also, if this doesn't work for you, they have lake lots, you can add a pool. Anything could be done to these homes. Just give me a call and I'll help you get through it and find the right home for you that fits your lifestyle. Remember, you find the lifestyle and then you find the home. All right, everybody, I appreciate you watching and everybody have a great day.